Yeah. Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Today I am taking back my greenhouse from who? The spiders. They have taken over. Now, they're supposed to be so beneficial. Oh my goodness, they help you with all the bugs. No, they don't. Look at that. And then I'm taking it back from the weeds also. Now, you guys know that I put down fabric. This fabric. Look at all those weeds. Terrible. So I took some down already, but the bugs. So I sprayed inside of here, but it has fabric cover, and then it's nothing going out there. I sprayed for spiders inside the greenhouse. There's nothing in here growing, and it's not going anywhere else because I didn't hit the ground. I hit the ceiling. I don't care. Judge yourself. I don't want the spiders. I don't. I really don't. I could care less if they help, so-called help. Because they don't help. They've not helped me. I've not seen them eat an earwig, so they don't help. I've just seen really big bank spiders and steal earwigs, so they're not eating the earwig. So they're not helping me with my pests. So I don't want them anymore. And I definitely don't want these weeds. And the crazy part about it is they're growing up through the little small cracks in the fabric along the wall at the bottom. So I'm like, I have to do something else to get those out of here because it's not working. Or since it's just that area, I'll just get it. Make sure there's no spider on me. I'll just, clear it out every time because it's not that much. But when you don't have time, you just don't have time. But I thought to just bring you guys with me to get some of this stuff out of here. I don't know what kind of weed this is, but it's huge. It's really huge. But yeah, I have to take this back from these spiders because I don't want it. I don't want the spider. I want to still be able to use my area, I can't put these in the compost because I did spray. So these will have to just go in the garbage, the lawn garbage, and be taken away. I need to put my hair up. What's this? I can't even see. And then there's more spider webs. So we're going to tuck that in there. Gonna tuck that, y'all. Tuck that. Use the camera as my mirror so I know if something on me or if that's my hair. I'm going to show you guys, if I can, let me see if it'll zoom all the way, not zoom, but go all the way down. Okay. And then, these some big spiders, y'all, so if I scream, whatever. I mean, these weeds are ridiculous. They're thick, taking all the nutrients from whatever source they're getting them from. Ooh, this one does not want to go. Okay, I get it. And then, so you gotta be careful for spiders. Ooh. When I say these weeds don't want to go, they don't want to go. They're so thick. But they got to get out of here because I have plans for my greenhouse during the winter. That's why I sprayed. I'm cleaning out, and I'm only using the bags and shelves. Nothing's wet, so nothing will get soaked back up. And I didn't spray the middle and, like I said, the floor, just the outer parts. And like I said, I don't care. But I'll be sure not to put anything in the compost bin from in here. So I need a bag. So I don't end up doing that. And then, unfortunately, well, no, I'll keep them. I was going to say the containers. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The containers like this I was going to get rid of because they may have been sprayed, but I'm not. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash them. I'm not going to throw them out, but I'm going to wash them. But I just want to show you guys that if your bugs take over, if the spiders, I'll say, take over back, you could do it. Because I don't like bugs. I don't like any kind of bug. Slug, bug, nothing. Nothing. I don't like any form of bug. But I have grown to accept the beneficial bugs a little more. But I still don't want them on me. But that's all we're doing today. I just wanted to come on to show you guys that you can take back your space if the spiders and webs have taken over. What are you eating? Was it bitter or is it good? It's delicious. It's bitter. Did you bite the tip? And it's still bitter? Oh, okay. Here we go. A white butterfly. And then, why are you coming over here? Do you see that stick I had? Whew. My hair. My neck is hot, so. Whew. Thank you. I need a broom. I broke my broom. My outside broom. I want to slap myself with that. Okay. Oh, it's bitter? Someone was eating. Look. Oh, cucumber. And it's bitter. I just put hair on it, but it's not bitter. It's good. Yeah, it's not bitter. I like it. Eat out the garden. Especially when it's hot. Cucumber is very refreshing. But I know what you mean. This, no, it's good. But we've had cucumbers that was better. Yeah. We've had cucumbers that have been better than this. I'm not sure what kind this is. Maybe Market More. Maybe, I don't know. I think, I don't know, unless that's a pickling one. I'm not sure. But the ones we planted last year were super good. Yeah, they were really good. They were way better than this. So I get what you mean. And this isn't overripe or anything. Yeah, it's not a good one. I have to look at my other cucumber seeds to see what that was last season. Or my other videos. Maybe I labeled it right. Yummy. This is good. Take the time to enjoy your harvest. Yes, I'm looking behind me and on the side and at the top to make sure there are no spiders trying to attack me because I'm taking my house back, my greenhouse. Even though the ones last year were better, this is real refreshing for right now. It just was scraped on the gate, and I'm just not going to eat it because I don't really like imperfections. It's just weird. That's all. It makes me think someone was on it, but it wasn't. It's pretty good. All right. I'll stop being on the video with you guys, but take the time to do this in your garden. Because I didn't know I needed this until I ate it. I know I was drying out. It was dry. Hey, I don't want any bugs on me. Go on. That was a dragonfly, a baby dragonfly, which I don't mind. But I will leave the garden for the bigger ones. Those things were really big, but we have a lot of mosquitoes, so it's fine. I don't mind those. But I will leave the garden. Those are big. I think this season I've seen them. They've been bigger than I've ever seen the dragonfly, so they're doing their job. But I'm gonna show you guys something that's really funny. Can you put this in the compost? Thank you. This is how I get my spider webs down. You see me back here? Yeah. There's one back here. You see that? And I'm gonna just slap it down. I don't have my broom. And it's late, so I'm not gonna go and get a broom right now. I could, but that's too much. Driving to the store. It's down the street, but driving to the store, coming back to finish, you're not gonna want to finish. So whatever you gotta do, get it done. Keep it moving. If you don't get something done, put it on your list, which mine is on my refrigerator. Make sure you get it done. But that's all I have for you guys today. I just want to tell you and show you, if you have bugs in a greenhouse or in an area, like spider webs, I would say, because I won't say bugs, it's not bugs, it's spider webs and spiders. As long as, well, for me, as long as it's in the greenhouse, in the area that is contained away from my food, I will spray inside and on the just on the walls of it, because it's in the greenhouse and it's not near my food, and I don't want the spiders to take over, because they did, and that's why I've not been in here. I missed out on, I didn't miss out, I could still do it, but that's why I direct sold my fall garden, because there were big back spiders in here, and I'm like, you know what, I got this year. I'm not going to let this take over like they always take over in the other small greenhouse. I'm like, no, I'm not doing it. So I'm taking back my greenhouse. So like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. As you guys see, I have some work. I have to get all this stuff out of here. All this will be out of here, and I will give you guys an update on it. All this stuff has to go. The weeds will go, and I'll give you guys an update on it and show you the after when I'm done. So like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. No, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.